Oh my God.
Hey guys, welcome to AutoCraze. We're here today, customers. 2020 is the year, man. Double digits. This is my man Eddie over here. He's here today to pick up his Hilux with his Mrs. Shai Leigh. Now the funny thing is 2020 is for a reason. I went to school with this girl. I've known her for 20 years.
That's
you get it? 2020?
Yeah.
No, for 20 years, went to primary school together. She lived in the area. She's basically my cousin. So I haven't been hanging out with Lebos for too long. You're instant cousins. I didn't know who Eddie was. Came in and then she walked in. I was like, this and that. So I was like, I'm stuffed. I have to look after him. I hope I did. Car's done. It's dusted. What we've done to the Hilux is we did a 2-inch lift, a AutoCraze snorkel, a Dobinson Lift kit, car off-road upper arms, fuel ripper wheels, rebar, colour-coded rival and a front bar. Also a brand new T-Max Winch. He's gonna come back for more accessories. Barney's waiting next door. Guys, your car's next door, it's running.
Okay. Oh my God, Are you happy?
Holy shit, man.
That looks so good. Far out. Holy shit. You love it? Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Really appreciate it.
It's awesome.
Tell people watching, man, for real.
All week I've been a little nervous and probably regretting that I actually wanted to do this to the car. Seeing it now, exactly what I wanted. It's better than what we wanted.
Yeah.
And you know what?
Thank you.
Shai Leigh, you're welcome very, very much.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're a lucky bloke.
Oh, no. Very well.
But you're luckier, he's a nice guy.